Okay, so we are going to sort this and we are going to use multiple sorts over here. Okay, it's pretty easy. There are multiple ways, but I'll tell you the best way. You come into data and over here you just click on sort. Now over here you have different levels. So let's say I want to sort area from A to Z. Okay, so it will be sort from A to Z. But let me add another level and let's sort the sales by the smallest to largest. Once I do so, you will note something over here is that my area has been sorted and okay. And in this particular area, you will see something is that the sales has been sorted from the smallest to largest. And you'll see in the south as well that this has been sorted from the smallest to largest as well. Yes or no? Okay, that's the way to do it. Okay, there was another student who was asking me about the chart. Well, as far as the chart is concerned, let's say we are going to make a chart of the following students, right? Now, you can make a pie chart or you can make a bar chart. And if you have to label it with a pattern, it's pretty easy. You just click on this and you can just click here, make sure that only one is selected. You can go to the format data point. You click on this fill and in the fill, you can click on pattern. Okay. While you're in the pattern, you can select a pattern. The same thing. Now click on this and you can change the pattern. And here you go. You can change the pattern. Okay. So in case if they ask you about the gradient, you can even have a gradient fill. Okay. You can have a picture or a text or you can different things. So please try to explore this yourself. There are things that you need to sit down sometime and you can explore them. Okay. Like I said, after your mock, okay, we'll try to have a, okay, right. So we'll try to have a physical class. If not, we'll try to have an online class where I can discuss all these points. Okay.